welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we've been working, been making progress, just kind of fighting through all these crazy times we got in the world. But we've got the pickup painted now, and we're going to show you just some stills of that process. We've got the body back together. I'll give you a walk around here before we leave, but we got the bed back on it, and when we did everything, we painted the frame and everything. So we're in really good shape now moving forward with the rest of these projects. We got stuff coming. We're going to be able to get the doors all put together, kind of keep moving forward. Next thing inside will be the carpet and headliner and stuff, but that's a little ways down the road. But we do have bumpers in, and we've been working on those. Those will be upcoming videos. But for now, we're just going to try to catch you up where we're at and kind of let you see where we're headed. You guys have seen the bed, but we got it back on the pickup. Everything's bolted down. You can kind of see up in there how that bed liner and our flat black frame paint all tied together. We just did a Rust-Oleum. I did a rusty metal primer and then a Rust-Oleum flat black, just industrial finish stuff. We've put the taillights in, got them working. I had to put new boards in them because I was having trouble with the reverse light. Obviously smoked them. They're not as dark as they look here. They're kind of a dark cherry. They look really sharp with the pickup. We've cleaned up the door panels, getting ready to put them together because we've had the door handles in it now, but we got our latches. Everything here is put together. Our windows are in there. Window tracks are in place. We've got new mirrors. We're waiting on speakers and some clips and a few little odds and end pieces, and the doors will be done. We did put a pair of aftermarket fenders on them, and I'll be honest, I'm not super impressed with the fit, but they're not bad. And this was a used door, and guys, the pickup is dirty from sitting outside as we're doing some other things that time of year where we got it covered in pollen. But overall, and we are working. Quick shot at a bumper there. We got a rear bumper put together. We're waiting on a few parts to finish those up. Those will be some upcoming videos. This is not obviously the grill that we're going back with, but needed it for fitment stuff for our front bumper. But as you can see, there's a lot of interior work yet, but the outside stuff, you know, this is the stuff that is kind of my bread and butter. And the goal was to have it all painted and back to the shed by the time the nice weather of spring came, and we did make it. It's been here, it's actually been done a little while. We're kind of behind on video production, but here we are, catching you up. But just wanted to kind of let you guys know where we were and where things stand, and that we are still moving forward and making progress, but things are tricky right now in the world, so we're doing the best we can. But for now, go find a project, get dirty, and like and subscribe. Thanks.